In this video, I'm going to clean my filthy MacBook Pro cable, and it's going to look like this when it is done. This cable is actually from a 2013 model and has never been cleaned. I'm going to show you guys how to simply clean the cable using some items you should have at home or you can easily get your hands on. To clean your MacBook cable, you're going to need a bowl of water with a little bit of dish soap in it, a magic sponge, a soft brush and a microfiber towel. Grab a pair of rubber gloves if you don't like getting your hands wet or dirty. Nice and simple cleaning method. You're going to dip the magic sponge straight into the water, wring it out so it's not too wet, and just start to work your way down the cable. Another really good method is to clamp the cable in between two sides of the magic sponge and just start dragging the sponge down the cable so that three sides of it are covered, if that makes sense. Keep working your way down the cable gently but firmly, and you should see the dirt transfer out onto the sponge. I had a few bits that were sticking, so I just used my brush to work those out, which worked really well. I then gave the Magsafe adapter a wipe over with the microfiber towel to clean it and remove any moisture that I'd introduced to make sure that it wasn't wet. After that was done, I then placed the microfiber around the cable and gently dragged it through to remove any excess moisture and also any remaining soil on the cable. Make sure both ends of the cable are completely dry before placing it back into a socket or indeed into your MacBook, because you don't want to cause any electrical shorts. This is the third video in my MacBook cleaning tutorial series. If you want to see the other two, they should be popping up on your screen right about now. If you got value from the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you don't want to do that, that's totally cool, but please give the video a like on your way out. Carl here from Cleaning How To. Thanks for watching.